Let's take a look at this case. The parking space isn't wide, and there's a row of illegally parked cars blocking the way, making the passage even narrower. Even if we use the available space perfectly, keeping the car tight against the red car's front and our front close to the illegally parked car, we still can't park. As we reverse, the rear doesn't even reach the parking spot, and there's almost no room to adjust the front. The more you try to correct it, the less space you have. Eventually, you'll get stuck between the two cars and won't be able to make it in. In situations like this, when there's only one narrow space left, you need to use a reverse push technique. Here's how. First, try to get the car as close to the parking spot as possible. When reversing, keep an eye on the right side mirror, making sure it's as close as possible to the front of the red car, while also keeping track of your own car's front to avoid hitting the blue car on the other side. As you reverse, don't push the car too far back. Once there's some space behind, stop the car. Now, straighten the steering wheel and turn the wheel all the way to the left to initiate a reverse push. The purpose of this push is to bring the car closer to the red car's front. Once that's done, carefully drive the car back into the passage. Then, turn the wheel to the right and reverse again, leaving enough space and move the car forward again, following the red car's front to keep going. This step-by-step process will allow the rear of the car to gradually move deeper into the parking spot. Repeat the process. Move forward while turning the wheel to the left, then reverse while turning to the right, and keep adjusting until the car is aligned. Once in, if the width of the parking spot isn't even, make small adjustments to center the car, ensuring it's parked properly. If this helped, follow for my channel.